Let's learn about AVL trees. An AVL tree is a self-balancing binary search tree, ensuring efficient search operations. Let's start building an example AVL tree with a root node labeled 50. We add nodes 30 and 70 as left and right children of the root. The balance factor is calculated as the height of the left subtree minus the height of the right subtree. Let's label the nodes in our AVL tree. Let's continue on the next slide. Now, let's explore AVL tree rotations. Adding node 10 causes imbalance. We need rotations. Rotations are essential for maintaining the AVL tree's balanced structure after insertions or deletions. There are 4 main types of rotations: left, right, left-right, and right-left rotations. Let's perform a right rotation on node 50. Nodes 50, 30, and 10 will be affected by rotation. Let's continue on the next slide. After performing a right rotation, the tree is rebalanced. After the right rotation, we update the balance factors to ensure the AVL tree properties are maintained. AVL trees ensure efficient operations with a time complexity of O of log n for search, insertion, and deletion due to their self-balancing nature. Remember, rotations are key to maintaining the balance of an AVL tree.